Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am guide about Thanksgiving nail art. Thanksgiving is right around the corner and with it comes Thanksgiving nails. Today we are explaining plenty of nail art about Thanksgiving. Number 1, harvest half moon. Thanksgiving but make it fashion. The ombre moon many evokes all the harvest season vibes but with a stylish and modern twist. Number 2, pumpkin spice. Love pumpkin spice, the delicious design for you. All you need to recreate the look in paint box like camel and like spark. Number 3, Modi mix and match. This ombre mix and match is simply beginning to be worn on your coziest night in. Cope the look with olive and John's of West. Make a raise it actually dark green, SD and CN. Next number is fall foliage. Taylor Swift and fall lovers everywhere will approve of this autumn leaves manicure. Literal Thanksgiving interpretations can be cute. Next number, emerald green. Whether you are green with envy over your cousin stealing the last piece of peace or want to embrace seasonal jewel tones, there's no going wrong with a gorgeous emerald green. Next and last number is orange aesthetic. Match your manicure to the fall foliage with the adorable design. All you need to emulate to look is some orange polish like SE DIY for you. Shimmer, top coat and floral nail decals. Next, glossy matte for a matte vibe. OPT for dark matte shades. When finish the tips with a glossy top coat. Next design, Cooper Chrome. Love Cooper but running out of ways to wear the hue. Chrome powder like Adore by Magpie Beauty will elevate your favorite shade for upcoming festivities. Last design, Lexi Blues. Alternatively, if shades of a blue and more your things.